wonderful, great people. We all support you to the fullest over this way. Hope you all like this. My time, bird feed anthem. Let's get it.
I've been waiting on the sidelines for a long time. Now I'm finally getting in the game. It's about time. This is my time. This is my time. The only thing I consider impossible is losing. I've been waiting on the sidelines for a long time. Now I'm finally getting in the game. It's about time. This is my time. This is my time. The only thing I consider impossible is losing.
10, 20, 25, get them dollar sign, get that product up, rise up till it's never ending. China man, sissy pink, heifer still going strong, even in the winter, never gonna stop. This is the passion, might as well fasten your seatbelt, because it's a long ride, ride or die, but in a crack, nothing can go wrong with that. Don't get in my way, so back up if you feeling tired. Get a cup of joe, this ain't no joke, never going broke, time to go for gold. This ain't all she wrote. Mr. and Mrs. Custard, what a lovely couple. Can I also get a 30 up? Red skies, best deals around at great quality. If you open your eyes nice and wide, you will see it's everywhere. Over here, over there, there's no stopping this. Gotta stay grinding till the very tippy top.
I've been waiting on the sidelines for a long time. Now I'm finally getting in the game. It's about time. This is my time. This is my time. The only thing I consider impossible is losing. I've been waiting on the sidelines for a long time. Now I'm finally getting in the game. It's about time. This is my time. This is my time. The only thing I consider impossible is losing.
Standing at the gate, eating little red fish, just scopping tickets, drinking berry Mountain Dew. What you really wanna do? Great quality, very good price, top notch. We got the spots open. We also got that pixie dust in the pound it. Triple the profits and round it up. See what we got for today. There's nothing no one can say. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we live with another giveaway for that red light special that'll get you off guard, leave you in the kiwi clouds, leaving you speechless like wow. What just happened? Did I win that 5 o'clock shadow? But no one's mad though, because it's all love in this family and all support. There's a lot of room for some more. What up, bird feed? Thanks for the great products, great quality and very cheap price. Salute.
I've been waiting on the sidelines for a long time. Now I'm finally getting in the game. It's about time. This is my time. This is my time. The only thing I consider impossible is losing. I've been waiting on the sidelines for a long time. Now I'm finally getting in the game. It's about time. This is my time. This is my time. The only thing I consider impossible is losing.